Hello, welcome and welcome back to my YouTube channel. If this is your first time, welcome. My name is Joy. On today's video, I'll be making this delicious Eforiro vegetable soup. This is a Nigerian delicacy. And if this is your first time on this channel, please subscribe to my YouTube channel.
Girl, I see your face everywhere. When I'm going out, you'll be there. Everything reminds me of you.
And for this soup, I am using 4 scotch bonnet peppers, 3 red bell peppers, and onions. I am going to blend them together and set it aside. In a pan, I am going to heat up some red oil. I'll go in with diced onions, locust beans, and I'm going to stir everything together until they are well combined. And then I'm going to add crayfish already blended, and I'm going to combine everything together, make sure that they are well incorporated. After that, I'm going to go in with the blended peppers, and I'm going to mix everything together. And I'm going to let this cook for a few minutes. You can cover it or you can leave it uncovered. I did cover it because it splashes a lot. And then I'm going to season this with some Maggi cubes and salt. I'm going to stir everything together, and then I'm going to cover this and let it cook until the oil settles at the top. After that, I am going to go in with my already cooked meat. You can use any meat of your choice. I have fish in there, and I also have stock fish in there. And then I added the meat stock and I stirred it together. I'm going to cover this again and let this cook for 5 to 8 minutes. So I tested for salt. You can add more salt at this time if you want. For the veggies, I am using frozen kale and frozen spinach, already thawed. I am going to mix everything together and cover this and cook on a very low heat for 5 minutes. the vegetable soup is done. This tasted so good. It tasted so delicious. You can enjoy this vegetable soup with any swallow of your choice. We have different kinds of swallows in Nigeria, and here I am going to be enjoying this with oat swallow. I hope you enjoyed today's video. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, like the video, share and hit the notification bell. Until next time, take care.